Hello guys, today I came up with the new tutorial with the array methods. Most of the people is requested to do this video, so I want to do this video. Pop method, the pop method removes the last element from an array. Push method, the push method adds a new array element to at the end of the array. Shift method, the shift method removes the first array element. Unshift method adds a new element to an array at the beginning. So I gone through straight away, guys, because not that much important to do each and everything. Like, and I want to show you the code, and you can understand very easily what is the pop method and push method and shift, delete and slice, concat and toSting, and pop, push, and shift and unshift are the opposite to working. Let me show the code, guys, and then you can understand very easily what I'm trying to talk about. So here, like in array.js. Okay, so I have with me one array, and just I want to keep it that array. And what is the pop method? Pop method, it will go to remove the last element from the array. So that is the pop method. So when I'm trying to do the pop method over here and console.log array method. Okay, array method. So what happened, we'll see here. Like in I want to run this one, and I want to see what happened. We'll see in here. Like in it will go to remove the first element, the last element. Sorry, not first element, last element. I want to rerun it, and I will show you. See, take and you is Anthony is coming up. The last element. What is the last element? David is gone. That is the pop method. Okay. What is the what is the push method? Push method is the same, like it is going to add the another element from the array, the last element at the end. At the end, it will go to add the um, element. So push, I'm going to take it the push, so the method, and I will add the some name called as in like in yeah um some Star Wars. Okay, see what happened will Star Wars should add it in after the last element. So we'll see what happened. We'll see like in the here. I want to remove it and refresh the page, and see here the Star Wars is coming after the David. So that is the uh, push method. So the next one is as a discussion shift and unshift. What is the shift and unshift? As I said, like an opposite to pop and push. So it is these both are end. Pop is the remove the from the end of the array. Is the push is the at the end of the array. So for push method, the shift method, shift and unshift. Shift method is going to remove the first element from the array. Okay, let me try to do the one shift. So what happened, we'll see. So when it is coming up, so I have to remove this one, and I have to refresh it, and see, it's gone. The first element is gone from the array. The first element is the text is gone. That's the magic of the shift. So next is the unshift. Unshift, as I said, is the opposite of the push. Push is the last element to add it. The unshift is the first element to add it. So array, I'm sorry, array method dot unshift. So I will go to add it some guardian of the galaxy, guardian, guardian of galaxy. I'm I'm not that much good at in movies, guys. Just I want to add it. So array method dot unshift, just in what it's going to be added in, like in taken before that, and so it is going to add it in first element. So let me show you what happened. So let me run it and see here, like in guardian of galaxy is coming, after that in tech is coming. That is the beauty of the unshift. So four methods I have finished. Sorry, four methods I have finished. So what are the remaining? Like next one is the splice and delete. Okay, I want to talk about the delete as well. Delete is the little bit in worried thing, guys. Like in I don't want to use it most of the times in the delete. Delete is like in it is going to be undefined even if I'm deleting this of one element. So always I'm using pop or shift method for the remove the element. Okay, let me try to delete in one element from the array method of 0 or something. So what happened, we'll see. uh, so when I'm coming here, see, it is going to give the empty, so which is not at all correct. See, in the empty u or something, which that's why I'm not encouraged to use the delete. Please use the either pop or shift, both of them, to delete the values from the array. Okay, fine. Next, what is the splice? See here, the splice is very important, guys. This one is most of the times I'm using in my real-time project. The splice method, it can be used in add the new items to array, delete the elements of the array. Okay, fine. Okay, what I'm talking about, like in let removed. Okay, first I want to give it the removed something, so original array and the removed array. And okay, this is the original array. I want to keep it in first in console.log. So here I want to keep it in original array. Okay, original array is coming up like in with 1 minute, guys. I'll here. So I want to display the original array first, and then I want to splice it. So next I want to keep it the removes array. What are the remove the array? Okay, first in this one, this is the okay. Next is the okay. Let me do remove and okay, two things, like in fruits or as an original array also I will keep it. This is the original array. So here I want to keep an array method dot splice. Okay, here the I want to explain the splice is accept the two parameters as well as the four parameters. Okay, always keep it in two uh, comma one comma what I want to add it in some few like in kiwi. I want to add it in kiwi and the apple in the above array. So see here, I want to explain this thing before to wind up. Like in splice, see here the splice is the first position is always added in how many what is the elements position new elements should be added. The second parameter is the one is it indicates that defines how many elements should be removed. Kiwi and apple, it is going to be placed in somewhere else, and also it is going to remove from the what are the elements is removed. Okay, fine. So first I want to keep it in here like in original. Okay, first this is the changed values. Okay, this one is the change. This is coming from the after adding or something, so I will keep it changed values. Okay, and then here I want to keep it one more console.log and removed values. What I am going to remove from the array. So that one also I want to display. So here removed values, removed array, removed array, or removed elements. Okay, and the changed elements. I want to change it like changed elements. Okay, what are the changed elements? What are the removed elements? So I want to keep it in all these things in the here, and we'll see, guys. um okay, otherwise I will keep it some. Okay, fine, yeah, no worries. So we'll see how what is going to be happen. We'll see. So here is the original array. Whole array is coming up. After that, removed means in it just I'm keeping declaring. And after that, and after this one, the splice, and I declare the changed elements. That means it is going to remove and I add the new elements. It's coming this array. What all the that means that kiwi and apple is coming up and remove, and it is using the tech kind of u or something is removed, and I want to show you the what are the removed from this array. So we'll see what's going to happen. Let me remove it and refresh it and see here, that is the original array, right? This is the original array. Okay, see here, tech u react and angular, and what is the change in values. That means tech view q and apple is adding, right? Q and apple is after that. Okay, change in value elements and removed elements. What is the removed is that react is removed. Suppose for example, that means 0 1, this one is got removed. Okay, fine. So if I'm keeping 2, what happened, we'll see. Okay, what happened, we'll see. So that is the magic of this. I can okay, fine. I want to refresh it. Okay, see here. So what are the removing? Like in here, see the original array is as is, and changed values is the kiwi and apple is coming up. What is the removed elements? React and angular is gone. So here the React and Angular is gone after this in this array. So that is the magic of the splice. So if you, and also as I said, like if you want to see the only two elements, you can see the two elements also. Let me show the splices accepts the only two elements. Let me show the one, like then you can understand what I'm trying to talk about. Array method dot splice, and it accepts the only two parameters. That one I don't want to add it anything else, guys. I want to remove it in two elements. Just I want to remove it, and then console dot log. So what is going to be happen here, like in the array method? So what happened will say. So that means in two means 0 1 something is going to show you. Let me refresh, and let me refresh this value, and see here the original array is coming up, and it is going to remove the tech and view, and after that is going to be display the React, Angular, Che, Anthony, and David. That's the values that are coming up. That's the magic of the splice. So yeah, most of the times is using buddy. Okay, you can utilize this one. So next one is the, I'm talking about slice. The slice method slices out a piece of an array into new array. What does it mean of that? Okay, fine. Okay, I don't want to disturb all these things. I want to keep it in here. I want to, yeah, in before this I want to add it in let um slices equal to um, array method dot slice of two. Okay, then I have to call it the slices. What happened will say. See here, like in I want to show you guys. See here, I want to show the original array. I want to do this one, right? Original array. I'm sorry. Okay, original array. So then you can check it in what happened. See here, let me remove it and refresh this one. So here, see, this is the original array. Take you, React, Angular, Che, Anthony, David. So what happened? So what is the slices I have given? Only two, right? First two is gone. See, this two is gone, and React, Angular, Che, Anthony, David is coming up. The same like that. So if I want to, if the slices accept the two parameters, that means 1 comma 2 as well. So what happened, we'll see 1 comma 2 or 1 comma 3, how much you want to be keep it. So we'll see what happened in here. Like in, I want to remove it, I want to show you the slice. So here, see, remaining only u1 react. That means 1 comma 3 is gone, this one is gone, and this 2 is only is there, and remaining after this 2 and 3, from 3 is totally removed from the slice. Okay, that is the beauty of the slice. Next is the concatenation, right? Concatenation is the concat method, concat the new array, merging the concatenate and existing two arrays. So let me show what I'm trying to talk about. Like in, I want to add in, I want to stop it in original array, which is not required. So constant array one, array one equal to some apple windows. Okay, apple comma, sorry, apple comma windows. Okay, apple comma windows I'm taking, and I have to utilize the okay, constant final array equal to array one dot concatenation. Concat means in adding, concatenation means in adding, and one more array method over here. Okay, over here. So I want to final array, I want to final array, I want to be display. See what happened. Okay, fine. Yeah. See here, like in those two arrays should add it. See here, Apple, and this final is added in the Apple Windows is added. This two is from the new array, and remaining all got added. That is the magic of the concatenation. And the final one is the toString, which is not that much important, but in you have to look onto this one as well. The toString method returns an array as in a comma separated strings. Just it is going to be written the same array. It is not going to be changed anything else. So let me show you guys. Just I want to keep it in after this toString. So what happened? We'll see. Uh, so nothing happens. So here see is displaying like this. Okay, see here it is displaying like this. Let me show you and rerun it, and it's comma separated. Apple, Windows, Tech, you and React, Akshay and David is coming up. That is the magic of the toString. That's pretty much of it, guys. All I hope in all I have covered. And just keep in mind, guys, this is the array methods. Most of the times you are using in the real-time project. Yeah, keep in tune, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye this time.